Hi, I'm Angie from Five Little Monkeys. In today's series, we're going to talk about large rulers. So when I go to shows, one of the biggest questions I get is, what in the world do I do with a ruler this long? It will help you trim up. It will help you put your blocks or your big panels. It'll help you trim up your big panels so that they're straight all the way across and you can get accurate measurements to square up your panels. The combination of both the Yardstick and this giant 18-inch square Quilter Select ruler help me do those things because I can cut 36 inches of a straight line very consistently and very accurately. So in this series, we are going to talk about panels. We're going to talk about straightening up edges. We're going to talk about how to do the math and how to get very accurate points and make sure that everything matches so that you get a really pleasing end result. So here we go. So now here we're going to talk about squaring up a panel, because if you're like me and you like things to be very accurate and straight, sometimes your panels aren't printed exactly straight because, like I say all the time, fabric is fluid and it does what it wants. So these two tools are things that I use when I'm working with panels. The first thing is going to be my big 18-inch square ruler. So this is my Quilter Select 18-inch ruler. Now, if I put this ruler down on this panel, you can see the panel's not straight. The ruler is plastic. It is straight. Ruler or panels they just kind of do what they want because they're printed on fabric. Fabric is fluid. But we have thumbs and problem-solving skills. So we're going to use those two things to figure out how to make this panel square. So I'm going to tighten in on this corner up here a little bit. I want to get rid of not only my selvage out here, but I want to make sure that I have a consistent amount of fabric from this inside line right here. Now, the reason I like to use this big old square is because I can see 18 inches worth of fabric underneath this ruler. And since the ruler holds on to the fabric, I can use the ruler and the gravity of the ruler to work with me. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this with my big square because I like to get my corners really square. So what I'm doing, I hope you can see, is I'm taking this 1-inch line and I'm lining it up right with the outside of this white line that's on my panel. Now, this particular project that I'm doing with this, the actual size of the panel doesn't matter quite as much as if I was working with a pattern that says something to the effect of, trim your panel to 24 by 30 inches. That's going to be in a different video. This is, I want to make my panel square because I'm just going to add things to it. So what I'm doing is I'm lining that 1-inch line along the outside of this white line. For the most part, it's pretty straight, but right here, it dips down a little bit. So I'm going to grab the edge of the fabric and just sort of zhuzh it up there so that it gets up to that line right there. That stays pretty straight. Now I want that to stay where it's at so it does what I want. Since my ruler holds my fabric, I can slide the whole thing. Then I can do the same thing on the other side. I can maneuver the fabric under the ruler so that it slides to the space that I want it to be. And then once it gets where I want it to be, the ruler will hold on to it because the sticky coating will hold it in place. All right, so I'm just lightly tugging on this fabric. Now, I will say that I have learned that I want to kind of over tug it because it will bounce back a little bit. So now what I have is this line is really, really straight. Most of this line is straight. This corner up here got a little bit weird when I was adjusting that side. So I can also pull the fabric this direction. And once it's where I want it, the ruler's gonna hold it. So I can cut along the section that's lined up so that now, look, I have a perfect inch all the way around that. Now I can do this in all four corners of my panel. All right, so I'm gonna get it as close as I can just by positioning the ruler. So it's straight along that edge. It's straight until about here, and then it goes a little bit wonky. So I'm gonna, since this side is straight, I'm gonna kind of support it with my hand there. And I'm just gonna tug on the fabric a little bit to get this side in formation, all right? And again, the fabric will bounce back just a little bit. So if it's not quite staying where you want it, just pull on it a little bit harder, and then it'll stay. So my 1 inch is lined up all the way around the outside of that. And I can cut these 2 sides as well. My panel is got a perfect border on it. All right, so your 18-inch square, super handy for panels, right?